Good morning. I just woke up a little while ago and I'm really excited because I'm going to open up some seeds I got in the mail. It's pretty cool. Oh, she sent me a little letter too. Let me read it here. Oh, there's another little package too. The letter is really funny. She sent me seeds, but she also sent me gloves because my hands were so bad. These still are from the black walnut. They look really dirty. My categories. But yeah, they look really dirty all the time. Yeah. But yeah, she sent me some gloves. That's really sweet. I like that. If I can remember to wear them. Oh, they're nice too. Oh wow. It's a cool surprise. Those are nice. Yes, will definitely make my hands look a lot nicer. And I can definitely make garden videos and gross everyone out with my hands. I can just wear these. I haven't made a cooking video in a while or a canning video in a while because I'm like, everyone's gonna think I like never wash my hands. Wow, she sent a lot of seeds too. Thank you, Barney. That's awesome. She sent me this really cool pepper that she has on her channel. I saw it's called a brand mulata. It's like an electric purple color. It's so cool. Look at the cool seeds packets she put them in. Pimenta Puma, this was a really cool pepper she had too. It was a she said it was really hot, but I like hot peppers. But it was a cool, almost black pepper. She sent me an ahi pineapple. I think that's pretty cool. She sent me gloves. She sent me really cool peppers and stuff because I'm really excited about the Pimenta Puma and the Buena Mulata peppers because of the way the purple, I think they're probably the most beautiful peppers I've ever seen in my life. If you have never seen them, go check her channel out. She has them on there several times on her peppers and her videos about her peppers and things. They're so cool looking. But thank you so much, Brian. That's so cool. I was not expecting anything in the mail. It was so cool to get something in the mail. First time I actually got something in the mail from somebody. And it was from someone on YouTube. That's really cool. Keep some of my seeds and things. I'm going to put this with the letter too because I think it's really cool. And I'm going to put gloves in here. Here's my corn. I have so much corn. So much corn in here. All different kinds of corn. So I'm going to be growing lots of corn next year too. More seeds to add to my collection, especially peppers. I want to start growing more peppers, and I just started getting into growing peppers just this year. So I think I did pretty good with the peppers I grew. So now I'm going to try branching off into growing lots and lots of varieties. So that's just really cool. So thank you so much, Bernie.